Taking your first flight can feel exciting and a little overwhelming. Airports, security checks, carry-ons, and boarding zones. How do they all work? Don't worry. At Voyage Shield, we've got your back. These 15 must-know tips for first-time flyers will take the mystery out of air travel and give you the confidence to fly like a seasoned traveler on your very first trip. Make sure your passport or government-issued ID is valid and matches the name on your ticket. For international flights, check if your destination requires a visa or a passport valid for 6 months beyond your travel date. When booking your ticket, use your legal name exactly as it appears on your ID or passport. A small mismatch could stop you from boarding entirely. Baggage fees and size limits vary by airline. Visit the airline's website to know what's allowed in carry-on versus checked luggage, and avoid surprise charges at the airport. Most airlines allow you to check in online up to 24 hours before departure. Doing this ahead of time saves you hassle and sometimes money. Keep a copy of your boarding pass offline, take a screenshot or print it. Phones die, apps can crash. Be ready. Always keep important items like medications, chargers, documents, and a spare change of clothes in your carry-on. Your checked bag might not always arrive when you do. Liquids over 3.4 ounces, not allowed in carry-ons. Check your airline or TSA list for prohibited items, especially electronic devices, batteries, and aerosols. Show up 2 hours early for domestic flights and 3 hours for international ones. Security lines, check-in, and gate changes can cause major delays. Gate and terminal info can change. Use your airline's app or check the screens at the airport to stay informed. Boarding happens in groups, not all at once. Watch your boarding pass and listen for your group to be called. Keep your ID accessible. You'll need it at multiple checkpoints. Space is tight. Avoid reclining suddenly, blasting music, or using strong scents. Everyone's just trying to get there comfortably. What's your biggest worry about flying for the first time? Let us know in the comments below and we'll help you out. Flying for the first time? Bring earbuds, a neck pillow, and snacks. These little items can make a big difference. Missed your flight? Don't panic. Visit customer service or use the airline's app to rebook, especially if it was their fault. Travel insurance or a credit card with protection helps too. Everyone starts somewhere, and it gets easier fast. With just a little preparation and the right mindset, you'll travel like a pro in no time. Thanks for flying through these 15 tips with Voyage Shield. Hit like, subscribe, and check the description for a free first-time flyer checklist. Got questions about your upcoming flight? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more travel advice and guides.